Adult advanced life support. Check for safety, stimulate the patient and shout for help. Check the environment is safe. On approach, stimulate the patient through voice. If unresponsive, stimulate the patient through pain using a trapezius squeeze. Shout for help and pull the emergency bell in your department. Lay the patient flat. When your colleague gets there, ask them to put out a 2222 cardiac arrest call and bring back the crash trolley. State adult or child, ward and bed space. Repeat this twice for clarity.
Adult cardiac arrest, Duke of Gloucester ward. That's bed 36 on Duke of Gloucester ward.
Whilst this is ongoing, check for signs of life. Flatten the bed. Check the airway. If unclear, you can use suction to clear the secretions. Open the airway with a head tilt, chin lift. Expose the patient's chest. Look for chest rise, feel for breath and pulse and assess for signs of life for 10 seconds. If there are no signs of life or agonal breathing, start CPR. Place the heel of your hand on the lower third of the sternum, interlock your hands and lock out your arms. If you require a stool for this, there is one located on the bottom drawer of your crash trolley. Start CPR with a chest depth of 5 to 6 centimetres for an adult and a rate of 100 to 120 beats per minute. Once the crash trolley arrives, apply the defibrillator pads. These can go in the mid-clavicular line on the right shoulder and the mid-axillar line of the left chest wall. These can also go biaxillar or anterior and posterior positioning. CPR is ongoing at all times. Turn the defibrillator on by green light button. This is an AED.
Adult mode. Analyzing now. Do not touch the patient.
Stop CPR when the machine tells you to. If you are operating the defib, check environment for anyone touching the bed and all oxygen must be at least 1 metre away from the bed space. If it is telling you to shock the patient, locate the shock button and only press the button when looking at the bed space and the area is clear. Press the shock button. Immediately recommence CPR at a ratio of 30 to 2. The other rescuer can now commence bag valve mask ventilation. Measure the face mask to the face, create a seal and bring the face to the mask. Apply to 15 litres of oxygen. The CPR provider squeezes the bag twice using one hand when directed to by the commands of the defib. Recommence CPR immediately. If the CPR provider gets tired, then the other rescuer gets themselves into a position next to the CPR provider. The CPR provider will then count the other rescuer in, ensuring they are not off the chest for longer than 5 seconds. Commence CPR 30 to 2 until the advanced crash team get there. Some rhythms are non-shockable. When you turn the green light onto the AED, it will still tell you the same commands. Stop CPR and analyse the rhythm. If it is a non-shockable rhythm, the machine will tell you to recommence CPR immediately at a ratio of 30 to 2. You will then need to think about giving drugs such as adrenaline.